people, staking their bond to each other!
You know what they say, don't you, Naruto? When two shinobi are powerful enough, they can read each other's thoughts simply through an exchange of fists. You've always been naive, Naruto. So tell me, do you know my thoughts? Can you tell what's on my mind?
That's it. There's no mistaking it now. You're dead serious about this, aren't you? You really mean to kill me, don't you, Sasuke? But still, I don't know why. I don't know why, but I can't bear you being taken by someone like Orochimaru!
I'll just wait for him to surface, and then finish him once and for all. What? Is that Naruto? What's this fear I'm feeling? What? You? What the heck are you?
I'm your friend! That's why I'm telling you! I'm not gonna let the likes of Orochimaru get a hold of you!
Why, Naruto? Why would you go so far for me?
Because this is the first bond I've ever had like this.
Bond.
That's why I'll do anything I can to stop you!
If that's how it is, I'll just have to sever that bond!
Sasuke?
Come! Naruto! It's time you and I had this out. As equals.